Hi, this is Sambohas, and you have come here today to learn or get a refresh on the half double crochet, or as they call it in England, the half treble crochet. You must start with a basic chain, which I have done already. Once you have reached the end of your chain, you will insert the hook through the third one. Third chain from your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook first and then insert the hook yarn over, pull it through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook again and pull it through all 3 loops. There, you have your first half double crochet. Let's try the second one. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Try the next one. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull back the hook through all 3 loops. Keep practicing until you reach the end of the row. Simply watch along. Once you reach the end, follow the same steps. Yarn over, insert the hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Now you are going to chain 2 single stitches and turn your work. This allows for the correct height on this stitch. Your hook will be inserted into the second stitch of the top row. First, yarn over, insert your hook through both strands of that stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull your hook through all 3 loops. I will let you follow along for a bit. You have reached the end of this row. Now do not forget to chain 2 single stitches and then turn your work after every row. There are 2 chains, and you will insert the hook into the second stitch of that top row. Of course, yarn over first, then insert the hook through both strands. Now, if you happen to insert the hook through either only the front or only the back strand, you will get a different look. Just make sure you are aware of that. Hopefully you enjoyed this half double crochet stitch and that it was slow and close up enough to follow along. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.